Welcome to Awesome Scuba Adventures. My name is Gary Leach. Join me on a journey beneath the sea where only a tiny fraction of the world's population has dared to venture. Let's go scuba diving. In this episode, our adventure takes us to Bonaire. Some of the cool things we get to see in this episode include a lionfish, a scorpionfish, an arrow crab, a green Moray Eel, and a coral tree farm. Bonaire is one of a group of islands known throughout the world as the ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao, located in the southern Caribbean about 50 miles off the coast of Venezuela. The ABC Islands lie outside the Caribbean hurricane belt, with an average air temperature of 82 degrees Fahrenheit or 28 degrees Celsius, and an average water temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 degrees Celsius. Dutch is the official language of the island. However, papiamento is used in daily exchanges and commonly spoken by the locals. English and Spanish are also commonly used. The currency of Bonaire is the US dollar. Kralendijk is the capital city and main port of Bonaire. In 2019, Bonaire was home to just over 20,000 people. The island is about 24 miles long by 3 to 5 miles wide. The island is surrounded by reefs which comprise the Bonaire National Marine Park. All who partake of activities in the park are required to pay a fee. Stinapa Bonaire manages the island's protected areas. The marine park is comprised of more than 85 dive sites. Most can be accessed by boat or shore. The more than 50 shore entries are each marked by a yellow painted rock. For dive planning, I recommend obtaining a laminated map showing all these sites. Some cards include a listing of coral reef creatures on the flip side of the map.
We are now at nearest point because it's the nearest point to town here.
Lionfish are native to the Indo-Pacific. They have become an invasive species in the Caribbean since they have no natural predators beyond their native waters. Most scorpionfish live on or near the bottom of the sea. Scorpionfish are well camouflaged. They can blend in so well with their surroundings that they can go completely unnoticed by their prey. I often find green moray eels with only their head visible, as they tend to hang out in crevices of reefs, but at night I may also find them out on the hunt, as they are generally a nocturnal hunter. They hunt primarily by smell due to their poor eyesight. This one seems content just hanging out with us for a while during our dive. This coral tree farm at Buddy's Reef is part of a larger effort to maintain, protect, and restore coral reefs in Bonaire. Divers interested in becoming a volunteer with this effort can take a training course and earn a certification as a reef renewal diver. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share with family, friends, and scuba buddies. Also, please let me know if you have any suggestions you'd like me to consider for future episodes. Have an awesome day. I'm Gary Leach, and together we're making the world a smaller place, one dive adventure at a time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Awesome Scuba Adventures.